Financial advisory. Message to the youth. Why me? Okay. Want to make quick money? Learn option trading and take courses on that. Want to have a diversified portfolio? Simply trade across all sectors. Want to retire early at the age of 40? Simple. Start investing only 15,000 rupees per month starting from the age of 20 years. Not sure from where to start? Take financial advisory. Ho gaya?
This is not me. This is not how I started. I started with StockEdge.
If you truly want to make it big, don't get into the trap of these tips. Take informed decisions. Keep learning always. I'm using StockEdge. So can you.
Happy Diwali everyone. Come become part of this StockEdge family and grow together your access to success. Download the app now.